Mosquitoes in both Williamson and Travis counties have tested positive for West Nile virus. And so far this year, no one in those counties have tested positive. Meanwhile, an unrelated case of malaria has been reported in South Texas.
KVUE's Matt Fernandez spoke with state health officials about mosquito concerns.
Just off I-35 in the city of Gerald sits the Sonterra community. Drivers will see signs like this one. Health alert, West Nile virus detected in the area. This comes after Williamson County health officials set up traps similar to this and collected mosquitoes. They were sent to the Texas Department of State Health Services, where a sample tested positive for West Nile.
I hate mosquitoes.
I don't like mosquitoes. I'm not a big fan of them.
Liz Maldonado and Marco Lascano live in the Sonterra community and heard the news of the mosquitoes testing positive.
I've heard that Gerald had the first case here, actually. So it's kind of a little nerve-wracking being pregnant.
They try to prevent mosquitoes from breeding by getting rid of standing water at their home.
We even bought stuff for like mosquitoes and flies.
The Texas Department of State Health Services did the testing at their labs in Austin. Lara Anton is the department's senior press officer.
The lab determined that there have been 3 in the 2023 season, 3 positive pools of mosquitoes for West Nile virus.
There have been no human cases in Williamson County this year, but if a person contracts West Nile, they could develop symptoms.
1 out of the 5 people who are infected with West Nile get West Nile fever. West Nile fever, you might have headaches, body aches, things like that you would need, diarrhea, vomiting. You might go to the doctor.
Severe cases can lead to comas and paralysis. This week, crews began spraying in the area the mosquitoes were detected. Williamson County is not the only place reporting mosquitoes testing positive for West Nile. In Travis County, Austin Public Health detected the virus in the 78721 zip code in East Austin. Officials remind people to wear long sleeves when possible. In an unrelated case in South Texas and Cameron County, the Texas Department of State Health Services says a person was found with malaria, which they say is rare.
A person who was working outdoors was bitten by a mosquito. We believe that the mosquito had bit somebody else who had malaria, who had come into the country with malaria, and that's how it was transmitted.
While cases are rare, health officials are reminding Texans to take steps to avoid those pesky mosquitoes this summer. In Williamson County, Matt Fernandez, KVUE News.